All right, welcome back to Serving Tray, part two. So we left off with just a couple parts made. Now we're going to work on them. So first things first, let's hide a few things because we don't need them right now. So the bottom, we're going to get rid of the bottom, okay, and we're going to hide the sketches. So all we're left with is our two pieces. Now we're going to make some copies. All right, so we're going to take the long one, and basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this anchor, okay, and you're going to see it's going to show up later on. We're going to disable it or turn it off later. An anchor means it's just anchoring or grounded to the screen and everything can revolve around it. So first things first, right mouse click, copy. And again, we want to make a copy of this time, not pasting new because it's independent, because whatever I do to one, I want to do to the other. So paste it. I'm going to move it over. And right away, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees so that it's facing the right way. Okay, and click on OK. Then this one, which is the end piece, same thing, right mouse click, copy it, right mouse click over here, paste it, move it over, okay, rotate it around 180, whoops, not that way. Let's try that again, 0. Let's get this one over here. Come on, zoom in here a bit. There we go. I'm going to turn that one around 180 degrees. Okay, this will make it a little bit more easier to rotate or orientate, or even better, what I'll do is I'm going to rotate it like this. Okay, and what do we want to do? 200, 280, right? What's the actual number I want this to go to? If I was here at 180, and 90 is 270 degrees. Okay, and we're going to move this one up here for now. Okay, that's going to make it a little easier to orientate everything. All right, let's put it together. So, joint. And this time what we're going to do is when we join things, we're going to join them from this side and this edge. So that way, if we do anything later making it bigger, it'll actually go the right way. Okay, so I'm going to pick that one there. And I'm going to spin around here, and I'm going to pick this one and make sure I'm getting the right one. Right, and away it comes together. Okay, and we click on OK. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, okay, joint, and pick it again. I want that one there, and it's going to go over to here. Okay, and you can see it go into place. Okay, and then finally the last one, right, joint, and here, and over here. Oops, I did that wrong. Hit edit or hit continue. Now, it's going to screw up right now. Okay, and the reason why I did that, I'm going to hit cancel and put it back, is when I copied it, I had this anchor still here, and I forgot to turn it off. So I'm going to right mouse click, unground from parent. Okay, so now when I go into a joint, it's going to say, yeah, I can move wherever I want because it's not grounded to the parent or the main screen. And we'll go to here, and now it's going to do it, and click OK. Now I don't have that error. All right, so there now is my basic serving tray. And we can do different things now. So for example, if I wanted the ends taller, right, I could go to an end now, right? Now that end down here in the timeline, right, is this one. There's my extrusion. Sorry, that's my my sides. There's my ends ones. So if I double click this, okay, I double click, I can now change the end height to 3 inches. Okay, and you can see it automatically changes, right? I can go back into a sketch right away, and I can show my sketches, and I can go back to, let's say, the short one here, right? So double click, and I want to say that this sketch now, this one is 12 inches, right? So I move it to 12, everything stays the same, hit finish sketch, and what happens is my whole project is now bigger, right? So that's the power of doing it the correct way, is that everything will then line up properly, right? So I'm just going to hit Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and Control Z one more time just to get back to there. All right, so there's our basic serving tray put together. We're going to conclude this part 2 and move on to part 3 in a bit. Oh, remember, save up here, save, right? And OK.